Hi all, Karthik here from Design School by WP Algorithm. In this video, I'll show you how to clone or duplicate Elementor pages, posts, templates, or even custom post types. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're creating with Elementor can be duplicated using Elementor natively. I already made a video on how to clone Elementor pages and templates using a plugin long back. People really are watching it still, but with advancement of Elementor, there are a lot of possibilities. In this video, I'll show you two new ways in which you can clone or duplicate Elementor templates. So the first method is cloning the page or template natively using Elementor. And in order to do this, you need to click on Edit with Elementor and you need to go to the Elementor interface. Now when you're in the Elementor interface, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you don't see any section and right click. Here you see an option called Copy All Content. This is an Elementor native feature. All these are Elementor native features. So we'll just copy all content. And you don't even have to go back to WordPress dashboard. You can hit Command E, hold down Command and press E on Mac and Control E on Windows and type add into the Finder. I've already explained all this in the Finder tutorial. If you are new to Elementor, you can check that out. So we'll just create a new page and the page will automatically be created and it will be opened for editing with Elementor. Just like that. You can change the page title quickly. Now your new page is created and it's already brought to the Elementor interface. All you need to do is to right click again on this page and paste. Just like that, your page is cloned to a new page. And you can obviously change the name by clicking on the settings cog and let's call it Elementor duplicated page. I'll publish this and this page will be available not within the saved templates but in the WordPress native pages. So I'll just click on WordPress native pages. And while you're working with Finder, when you Command E, you don't even have to click on this directly. Right click on this so that you can open up the page or the new page in a new tab. Or you can simply hold down Command or Control and click on it. So that will also open up in the new tab. I've explained this in the Finder tutorial. You can watch Finder tutorial for more info on Elementor Finders. And within pages, within the WordPress dashboard, I'll click to filter by date. And you can see my newly created page right there. And remember, once you've created or cloned the page using Elementor, you always need to edit with Elementor. You should not try to edit with Gutenberg because Gutenberg is also a sort of pseudo page builder and doing that will raise conflicts. The same is true for editing with two page builders, right? When you edit with Elementor and then try to edit with Divi, you'll get a lot of conflicts. So always when you edit with Elementor, just keep doing it. If you want to change the name, you can also quick edit and also change the name from here and click on update. So that's one way to clone or duplicate Elementor pages, posts or templates. If you clone the same page into a post or a custom post type, you have to go to the respective posts or custom post types in the WordPress repository. So for instance, if I copy this template's content into a post, such as this one, you need to go to all posts and here you can see the post cloned with Elementor. Similarly, if you clone it to a custom post type such as comparisons, reviews or videos, which are custom post types defined on my website, on my test website, you can then clone them or you can find all the cloned websites in all reviews or all custom post types wherever you've cloned them to. Let's talk about the second method, which is by using an add-on called Happy Add-ons. Just go to plugins in WordPress repository, you can search for Happy Add-ons and it's this one. Make sure you have this installed on your website. So using this free add-on, you can clone pages in two ways. The first way is when you're in the Elementor interface. So you can right click or you can open up Finder, Command E, and right within the first option, just hit space. You'll find all the options for this. And here you can see there is a feature called clone or duplicate this. This is added because of the Happy Add-ons. You can simply click on duplicate and that will just instantly duplicate that particular template. It's that easy duplicating a template using Happy Add-ons. Let's call it cloned page. Let's publish it. And once you clone it, it's actually a draft. It won't be published until you publish it. So let's call it cloned page, update. Unlike Elementor, if you clone a page with Happy Add-ons, it's all available within the templates. So it's actually cloned as a page. Even if you clone a pop-up, it will be cloned as a page. It won't be available. And here's the thing, note when cloning with happy add-ons. If you've opened up a page, post or a template from within the template section, it can be saved templates, sections, pop-ups or theme builds, whatever. So if you have opened them and if you have used the finder to clone them, no matter what kind of templates they are, they're cloned as Elementor page templates. So we just cloned this and it's saved as cloned page here. It's accessible within saved templates page. You can see here. If I go to theme builder, if I try to clone a header, so you can also clone using the menu option present here. So when you hover over this, there's something called happy clone. Watch what happens when I click on happy clone. Even my header is cloned as a page. So if you're cloning anything from within the Elementor interface, it's always cloned as a page, no matter if it's a pop-up, if it's a theme builder template, if it's a page, section or anything, it's always cloned as a page with happy add-ons. While working with Elementor, you can copy all content, and from within the finder, you're basically cloning this to even WordPress pages, posts or custom post types. So when you're doing this, you're essentially creating a new page, post, template or even a custom post type. If you want to clone the same content into a Elementor template, you can simply click on add new template and paste the content, and that will be saved as an Elementor template. If you want to clone this into a pop-up which I showed you earlier, you can simply open up, create a new pop-up and paste it. Whereas the happy clone is always cloned as a Elementor page template. What if you want to clone the pages, posts or custom post types using happy add-ons and you still want to make them their native post types? So you can simply go to all posts or all pages. Here I have something edited with Elementor. Even here I find an option called happy clone. So if I click on them, it will be cloned as a post edited with Elementor. The same is true for any custom post type. If I go to pages, here's a page that I made with, or here's a page that I created with Elementor. Simply click on happy clone and that will be cloned as an Elementor page. So the context is really important. If you open up a page, post or a custom post type directly from the WordPress dashboard by clicking on Elementor, and when you try to clone it using happy add-ons, it's cloned as the same type. Whereas if you open any template from within the template section and clone it, it will be cloned as an Elementor template. And by using Finder, you're simply creating that particular post type. Here you're creating a new WordPress post, you're creating a new WordPress page, and add new template will basically create a new Elementor template. Add new pop-up, again pop-up template. So here it's more accurate, and with happy add-ons, it's more of contextually related than the Elementor's copy paste method. Either way, both of them work flawlessly, and this is how you clone or duplicate Elementor pages, posts, custom post types or even a template. You can also go to comparisons, which is and even here you find happy clone. So when you do that, it's cloned and that can only be edited with Elementor. Bear that in mind. So that's one thing to note. Or you can simply copy and paste the content into it. Either way, you can use this new method over the plugin method by using duplicate posts method that I made a video earlier about. That's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and show your support. I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.